Hi guys, and welcome to our new episode. I'm Nehal Helaly, and today we're going to talk about using writing as an escape. We all have different mechanisms to cope with our issues and our situations, and we all escape from our problems using different ways. Some people escape by dancing, singing, working, shopping, talking, and the list goes on really. Other people escape by writing. And here lies the real question. How do we use writing as an escape? In order to answer that question, we must understand the meanings of the word escape. Escape means a temporary distraction from reality. It also means an act of breaking free from confinement or control. Now, first we must determine in what way are we using this term when it comes to writing. There are actually two options which lead to the same thing. Some people use writing as a diversion from their reality. Other people use writing as a way to break free from certain issues or situations that they feel control their lives. And in order to break free, you must let go. Now let's take these two options and explain them in more details, and then I'll explain how they lead to the same outcome. If you remember in my previous video, I told you that writing is a way to create your own fantasy world. Now let's say that you're so pressured and stressed out to the point that you just want to blow off some steam. That is when writing acts as a form of therapy. Because in the process of writing, you isolate yourself from all the anger, the pain, the madness, the confusion, and more emotions that are felt in most human situations. You enter into a world of fantasies and adventures. You get to be whoever you want to be. And for a brief moment, you forget everything going on in the real world. Now, I also said that you can use writing as a way to break free from your problems and your issues and to let go. There isn't a better quote to describe what I mean than this quote by Horace, and he said, "The pen is the tongue of the mind." If you remember in my previous video as well, I told you that writing is a way to communicate and express your feelings. Whether we realize it or not, in writing, we become more connected to our reality. Now, you may think that what I'm saying right now contradicts what I previously said, but bear with me till the end, please. So how do we become more connected to our reality? It's simple. By trying to escape our problems, we end up exploring them. Of course, the problems are not exactly the same, but there are some similarities. By turning our emotions into words, we gain more control over a situation. Because in our mind, it's just a story, and stories aren't real, right? We also get to view our problem from different perspectives, making it easier for us to look at the bigger picture. For example, I started exploring writing poetry a few years ago when I wanted to escape some real-life situations. I realized I wasn't escaping. Instead, I was turning my confusion and my pain, my anger, my dislikes, and even sometimes my happiness into ink. And I believe that by turning our emotions into words and by mirroring general chaos happening in the world, makes us gain more control over it. And by gaining that control, these bad experiences or these bad emotions can no longer hurt us. And we write to escape, or we write as a temporary distraction from our realities, but by doing so, we end up breaking free from what confines us permanently. So my advice to you would be, whenever you feel like you want to break free, just write. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'd love it if you'd share with us in the comments below, how do you use writing as an escape? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe below and wait for our next episode. Bye.